Hi everyone, this is your friend King Julian speaking. Welcome to another video. I've got a very important update regarding my Quadlock fork stem mount today. I'm afraid I'll be bringing you some bad news, but hopefully also one potential fix. So let's check it out. As I promised during my review of the Quadlock fork stem mount, I've been using the shit out of that solution and it really is a very good and reliable product. However, quite ironically, turns out this solution might actually be too solid to be safe for your phone. Let me explain. Now imagine that any vibration caused by the condition of the road or coming directly from the engine of your motorcycle is actually flowing through the whole machine and everything attached to it, including your booty. Now, since the Quadlock fork stem mount literally becomes part of your motorcycle, it happily transmits all the vibration from the bike through itself right into your phone. But is that a problem? Yes, it potentially is. It turns out the cameras on some of the newer smartphones use optical image stabilization mechanisms. These are so fragile that they could potentially be damaged even by nothing more than a vibration of a certain intensity or frequency. Following is the footage I shot with my 2020 iPhone 11 the moment I realized there's something wrong with my camera. As you can see, the autofocus is completely messed up and I wasn't able to make any video or take any photo without it looking like this. Eventually, I decided to contact Quadlock directly and tell them about my issue, since I ended up with one completely and one partially useless pricey toy, and the reaction from Quadlock was actually pretty great. Apparently, they already knew about the issue. It must have been reported by other people, I guess, since they've developed a new vibration dampener which they offered me for free right away, and they also advised me to get my camera fixed under warranty, which I did, so I got the camera on my iPhone replaced free of charge as well. Now let's take a look at the vibration dampener by Quadlock in my new segment called What's in the Box?
Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
Okay, Jesus, chill out. And here we go. We have the manual here with detailed instructions. Then we have this little tool that we'll be using for installation of this product, and this is the vibration dampener itself. Looking at it, I don't know, it's again made out of solid plastic, and there are these rubber bands, or rather rubber wheels on the sides. I can't really imagine how it will work, but let's install it and see for ourselves, shall we? And here we have our guinea pig baby Rosie, so let's proceed and do this quick. First things first, we have to remove the upper part of the Quadlock fork stem mount, the lock itself, and you can do that by simply unscrewing the top screw. As the next step, we need to attach the vibration dampener to the lower part of the fork stem mount. And everything is beginning to make sense now to me, since I just realized that the rubber parts, which I called wheels, are actually the suspension. Last but not least, we take the upper part of the mount, or the lock itself, and we place it again on the top where it belongs. And that's it for the installation. Pretty intuitive and simple as usual, which I very much appreciate. Thank you, Quadlock, for that. And I'll go on and test it now. So should there be any problem in the future, you'll be the first to know. But of course, if the dampener works like a charm and I never face any issues again with my phone, you probably won't hear from me again regarding this topic. But other than that, I will try my best to supply you with my bullshit on a regular basis and stay in touch with you. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope it was informative, and I hope it would eventually help you on your way to your ideal solution. Cheers guys, bye bye.